is the future of food production. Our state-of-the-art mega facility processes fresh avocados using advanced cold press technology.
Inside the intake hall, automated conveyors receive the produce. Advanced sensors scan each crate.
Infrared sensors detect internal defects. Any inconsistencies trigger an immediate diversion by the mechanical.
Our automated system ensures precise pit extraction without damaging the flesh. The pits are then moved to a separate conveyor system. Weight sensors precisely guide the sorting process. As you can see, irregular fruit is gently diverted while uniform batches are formed.
Our advanced system utilizes slow grinders to break down the pulp, strictly adhering to the cold processing principle. No heat generation is allowed.
The avocados enter enclosed cutting units where the blades split the fruit cleanly. The pits are extracted precisely.
Our advanced system ensures optimal hygiene. The avocados undergo a rigorous cleaning process, verified digitally at every stage.
This is advanced cold press technology. Mechanical pressure replaces heat, and the oil extraction remains gentle.
The key to quality is molecular preservation. By maintaining gradual pressure and avoiding heat, we ensure
Freshly pressed oil gathers in these sealed tanks. The advanced visualization confirms its raw and natural state.
Oil enters large settling tanks. Gravity-driven separation begins. Advanced visualization shows particle drop.
Stabilized oil flows into filters. Multi-layer filtration units activate. Micron-level filters operate, removing particles without
Filtered oil enters massive sealed tanks. Advanced visualization shows the internal flow.
We measure the fatty acid profile and check peroxide levels. Color consistency is verified.
To ensure optimal packaging hygiene, bottles are sterilized with high-pressure ionized air, eliminating.
The calibrated flow rate and synchronized nozzles guarantee identical fill levels, verified instantly by laser sensors.
Caps feed from vibratory hoppers. Bottles move under capping heads. Torque levels controlled digitally. Seal.
Labels apply smoothly to bottles. Advanced visualization shows alignment, and batch codes print clearly.
Finished bottles enter the inspection lane. High-speed cameras scan each unit. The fill level is verified.
The system calculates weight distribution while adhering to strict height limits, ensuring no carton deformation. Stacking follows precise programmed patterns.
The stretch film rotates uniformly. Automatic tension adjustment ensures the load remains tightly secured.
Automated cranes lift the pallets. We follow strict FIFO logic, and inventory updates instantly, preserving batch traceability.
Control screens display real-time stock levels. Incoming and outgoing inventory is continuously tracked. Route optimization calculates delivery timelines and fuel efficiency, ensuring compliance and maximizing truck capacity. Export certificates generated. Country-specific standards verified. Label language requirements checked.
As you can see, our water reuse ratios have improved this quarter. We're closely analyzing energy consumption.
Residual avocado pulp moves to recovery for waste minimization. The pulp is collected hygienically.
Wastewater flows into treatment units. Solids removed mechanically. Biological treatment follows, and water clarity improves gradually.
Sensor data analyzed constantly. Wear patterns detected early. Lubrication systems activate automatically. Spare parts scheduled proactively.
From the moment our team enters the controlled zone, every safety protocol is digitally monitored and verified.
The Q3 rejection rates highlight a systemic issue in batch performance.
Agreed. We need to identify the root causes and update the documentation immediately.
Production, quality, and logistics are connected. Historical data is analyzed and predictive models are updated. Audit schedules appear digitally, records are organized automatically, and compliance documents are verified. Traceability.
Random samples were collected and verified. We'll finalize the reports confirming compliance.
Thank you.
The batch code is scanned digitally. Product history appears instantly, identifying the farm origin.
Our security features utilize unique batch codes and tamper-evident seals. A quick verifies authenticity.
Production metrics reviewed centrally. Oil yield efficiency measured. Energy usage evaluated. Water recovery assessed. Quality performance confirmed.
From avocado to bottled oil, technology and nature balanced. Cold press purity emphasized. Automation and
The audio features a synthesized, futuristic soundscape with subtle whooshing and digital interface sounds.
Temperature stability is crucial. Our sensors continuously monitor ambient conditions, allowing cooling unit.
Nitrogen flushing systems activate. Oxygen sensors monitor levels. Alerts trigger if thresholds breached. Technology protects purity.
Sensors cover every production zone. Pressure sensors regulate pressing. Flow sensors track oil movement. Temperature sensors protect nutrients.
The system analyzes performance, adjusting press speed dynamically. Yield is maximized while energy usage is reduced automatically.
Our 24-hour operation relies on seamless digital handover. The cold press rhythm remains unchanged.
The cleaning cycle starts automatically. This cleaning-in-place system requires no disassembly. Pipelines are
Our digital overlays ensure complete compliance with international food safety regulations, like ISO 22.
Sensory data complements lab tests. Human senses add assurance. Tradition meets technology. Final quality perception ensured.
The voiceover explains the material choices. The glass protects oil quality with UV friction considered.
Virtual factory mirrors real one. Production scenarios tested digitally. Stress conditions simulated safely. Optimization tested before deployment. This module focuses on standardized process knowledge. Through continuous education and digital certification, we ensure a culture of excellence. This module focuses on standardized process knowledge. Through continuous education and digital certification, we ensure a culture of excellence. We ensure end-to-end cybersecurity. All production data is encrypted, and access is strictly.
QR codes appear on bottles. Customers scan for product history. Farm origin displayed and processing steps summarized.
The voiceover explains the material choices. The glass protects oil quality with UV friction considered.
Virtual factory mirrors real one. Production scenarios tested digitally. Stress conditions simulated safely. Optimization tested before deployment. This module focuses on standardized process knowledge. Through continuous education and digital certification, we ensure a culture of excellence. We ensure end-to-end cybersecurity. All production data is encrypted, and access is strictly.
QR codes appear on bottles. Customers scan for product history. Farm origin displayed and processing steps summarized.
With continuous improvement, our performance dashboards cycle daily. We review
Emergency scenario simulated digitally. Equipment failure tested virtually, and supply disruption modeled. Response protocols evaluated.
performance metrics compared externally. We evaluated yield efficiency, energy usage, and water recovery.
Process harmony, technology and nature aligned. Cold press purity maintained. Automation ensures precision. Humans ensure responsibility.
Digital map of avocado farms appears. Multiple regions connect to factory. Harvest timelines synchronized digitally. Receiving docks activate automatically. Truck arrivals scheduled digitally. Dock doors assigned dynamically. Unloading robots engage smoothly.
Avocados enter ripeness chambers. We explain oil yield dependence. Ripeness sensors measure softness.
Multiple avocado varieties identified. Voiceover explains oil profile differences. Varieties sorted digitally.
Low temperature enzyme control begins. Oxidation enzymes neutralize gently. No heat shock applied.
Initial pressure remains low. Compression increases incrementally. Cell walls break gently. Oil release optimized. No emulsification occurs.
Oil moves without turbulence. Shear forces minimized. Channel geometry optimized digitally. Residue separation enhanced. As the pressed pulp exits the units, we conduct residue evaluation. Oil content and moisture are measured continuously to validate efficiency. As the pressed pulp exits the units, we conduct residue evaluation. Oil content and moisture are measured continuously to validate efficiency. Spectral sensors analyze oil color. Natural green hues confirmed. Chlorophyll levels monitored. Batch consistency verified.
We ensure a low-pressure environment is maintained, preventing aroma loss. No vacuum stripping is applied.
Oil pauses at the quality checkpoint.
Gated production is reviewed. Lab and sensor data are analyzed. Approval is required to proceed. Multiple batches processed simultaneously, maintaining strict physical separation. Digital batch IDs are enforced.
Oil monitored over time, oxidation tracked scientifically, color stability recorded, aroma retention evaluated. No accelerated degradation used.
Shipping containers are prepared internally, focusing on transport sensitivity. Temperature conditioning is activated, minimizing light exposure.
In this simulation, we assess lighting effects, temperature variation, and optimize bottle orientation. Through precise life cycle analysis, we've mapped our water usage and categorized energy sources, proving our commitment.
Production connects seamlessly with logistics, and quality integrates with R&D.
By aligning our...
We're visualizing future upgrades digitally, simulating process improvements, and elevating sustainability targets. We prioritize ethical sourcing verification by analyzing supplier data and documenting fair pricing.
Operational balance. Technology serves product integrity. Cold press purity preserved. Efficiency never.
Cold-pressed oil enters stainless tanks. The temperature is tightly controlled, and no agitation is allowed.
Fine particles slowly settle through gravity separation. No centrifuge is engaged. Natural clarification is preferred, allowing time to replace force.
Low-impact polishing begins. The voiceover explains the final refinement. No
40 treatment. Fatty acid ratios analyzed. Vitamin E levels confirmed. Antioxidants quantified precisely. Data compared to benchmarks.
Oxygen bottling prep. Bottling environment sealed. Oxidation prevention. Inert gas introduced gently. Oxygen displaced completely. Oil never contacts air.
UV protective coating applied. Bottle integrity scanned. Cracks detect instantly. Rejected units removed. Our cold fill injection process ensures the oil structure remains intact. Fill volume is measured digitally.
The sealing logic ensures precise torque. Every bottle is pressure tested instantly, and defective seals are rejected to ensure consumer safety.
Labels applied seamlessly. Batch codes printed clearly. QR traceability embedded. Origin data accessible and nutrients. The AI vision system verifies fill level and label alignment. Cap integrity is assessed, and foreign particles.
With protection is inserted and yank output.
Weight is distributed evenly, and consistency achieved mechanically. The stretch wrap is applied smoothly. Stability temperature is held constant and humidity controlled precisely. Light exposure is minimized and air circulation optimized. The product waits safely.
Distribution dashboard activates. Demand planning initialized. Orders prioritized dynamically. Inventory allocated intelligently.
Drive. Through this interface, we explain the access system. Farm origin, processing steps, and quality data are...
Market data flows back. Voiceover explains feedback cycle. Consumer reviews analyzed. Shelf performance evaluated. Audit visualization begins. International standards displayed. Certificates validated digitally, and documentation accessed instantly.
Brand integrity metrics shown. Quality failures traced instantly. Crisis simulations tested. Response.
Energy usage reduced at night. Maintenance windows activated. Cleaning cycles begin. Automation sustains continuity. The system never sleeps. Cold press screws recalibrated. Voiceover explains pressure tuning. Torque adjusted micron by micron. Fiber resistance measured live. No excess force applied.
Evidence. From the moment the avocados arrive, we honor biology. Our cold press technology ensures integrity.
From avocado to oil, we ensured cold press integrity. Technology served nature, and sustainability was.
Maintenance robots scan machinery as we implement our preventive strategy. Vibration sensors analyze motors, and lubrication levels are checked automatically.
Oil output is measured continuously, with input to output ratios displayed. Loss points are identified instantly.
Different avocado batches arrive. Oil content varies naturally. Machine profiles adjust automatically, and the press speed changes slightly. Spent pulp exits presses. Voiceover explains byproduct use. Fiber content remains valuable. Moist pulp redirected. No waste discarded.
Byproduct enters the bioenergy system. Organic matter is converted cleanly. Biogas production begins, and the energy is fed back into the plant. Production pauses briefly. Pipes flush automatically.
Food-grade solutions circulate. Sanitation verified digital.
Decision-making remains human, even as people guide automation. Judgment complements machines, and experience still matters.
Simulation mode activated. VoiceOver explains preparedness. Virtual fault introduced. System responds immediately.
Adjustments. We apply temperature cycles and simulate intense light exposure to monitor oxidation. By tracking quality,
export orders displayed. We explain market differences. Bottle sizes vary by region. Label length.
Water usage tracked live, energy efficiency displayed, and waste reduction measured. Carbon output is calculated and targets are compared visually.
Packaging materials analyzed. We optimized glass thickness, maintaining precise strength. This carefully reduces weight, lowering transport emissions, and minimizing breakage risk. This skill shift is crucial. As automation literacy increases, jobs become higher value, reducing repetitive
consumption. Seasonal data visualized explains crop cycles and how supply volumes fluctuate. Predictive models assist.
Farm data reviewed digitally. Supplier standards verified. Fair labor confirmed. Environmental practices checked.
Our story is grounded in the process you see here. We believe that authenticity isn't just a strategy, it's how you build trust.
Daily cycle nears close. Data backed up securely. Inventory reconciled digitally. Systems reset calmly. Continuity maintained effortlessly. Residual fiber exits the extraction unit and is collected hygienically. This ensures no material is wasted and environmental impact is minimized.
As technology continues evolving, nature remains central. Our cold press philosophy endures.
The journey continues forward. We've proven that balance defines success. Integrating evolving technology.
Residual fiber exits the extraction unit and is collected hygienically. This ensures no material is wasted and environmental impact is minimized.
Oil passes through microfilters with no heat applied. Particles are gently removed, maintaining a laminar flow. Oil flows through aroma-safe channels. Volatile compound protection and oxygen displacement maintained. Oil flows through aroma-safe channels. Volatile compound protection and oxygen displacement maintained.
Oil flows along temperature-controlled conveyors. Sensors detect micro-changes and adjustments occur automatically, ensuring cold press integrity.
Bottles scanned for batch ID. Unique codes link the farm directly to the bottle. The production date is stored digitally. Bottles scanned for batch ID. Unique codes link the farm directly to the bottle. The production date is stored digitally.
Caps applied automatically. Torque adjusted for uniformity. Seal integrity verified in real time, and tamper evidence.
Our automated system ensures exact volume filling. Micro measurements guarantee consistency. With filler
bottles moved to packing station. Automated case assembly. Robotic arms organize bottles. Shock-absorbing inserts added. Weight distribution balanced.
Weight evenly distributed and height standardized digitally. Stability confirmed with sensors before pallet wrap is applied.
Temperature is precisely regulated and humidity is controlled automatically. Airflow is optimized and oil is stored in dark.
Inventory dashboard activated. Real-time updates track every pallet. Batch codes cross-referenced. Expiry dates monitored. FIFO protocol maintained automatically.
Global orders coordinated and optimized. Real-time traffic data integrated, ensuring cold chain integrity. Alerts are sent for any deviation.
Export documents generated instantly. Digital compliance explained. Country-specific requirements integrated.
As you can see, our sustainability metrics are updated in real time. We are monitoring water usage, energy efficiency displayed here.
As the factory transitions to night mode, the 24-hour cycle continues uninterrupted. Automation ensures. From the farm to the bottled oil, our process maintains cold press integrity. We utilize advanced
From the farm, we track everything. Harvest dates are recorded automatically and the cold chain is validated.
Avocados pass through ripeness detection station. Pressure sensors measure firmness. Color sensors evaluate maturity. Infrared scans assess internal density.
Our sorting conveyors distribute the fruit with unparalleled automation precision, utilizing multiple lanes for different ripeness grades.
The screw rotates with controlled torque, applying gradual pressure to the pulp. This gentle cold extraction.
Continuous monitoring is crucial. Flow sensors measure rate, pressure, and temperature. Viscosity is monitored.
Oil settles naturally. No centrifuge is used. Time, not force, purifies. Clarity.
Oil passes through microfilters. Filtration preserves nutrients. No heat applied, and the flow remains laminar.
Oil enters the aroma purving section. A low-pressure environment is maintained and oxygen displacement enforced.
Sensors assess color and clarity. Oxidation levels monitored. Batch status logged digitally.
Our automated system precisely positions each bottle. Microvolumes are digitally measured, and the dynamic
Caps applied using torque-controlled automation. Sensors measure tightness. Seal uniformity verified. Tamper evidence confirmed. Defective caps rejected instantly. Caps applied using torque-controlled automation. Sensors measure tightness. Seal uniformity verified. Tamper evidence confirmed. Defective caps rejected instantly. Robotic arms apply labels. Alignment checked digitally. Barcode readability verified. Batch code matches traceability system. Automation ensures speed.
The system operates with seamless efficiency. Shock-absorbing inserts are added, ensuring the integrity of the...
Our palletization robotics ensure optimal load distribution. Weight is evenly distributed, and height is standard.
Humidity is monitored continuously and airflow optimized. All storage conditions are logged digitally.
Distribution dashboard activated. Intelligent routing explained. Delivery schedules optimized. Cold chain integrity.
End-of-day system review complete. Data backups completed. Inventory reconciled digitally. Machines powered down safely. Automation confirms completion.
Factory enters night mode. Automation continues quietly. Energy usage optimized. Maintenance windows activated.
Daily batch analytics displayed. VoiceOver explains quality tracking. Here we can yield.
This race. This feedback loop compares harvest quality against yield, allowing us to evaluate supply patterns and highlight.
Our predictive maintenance system tracks vibration and temperature using smart sensors. When a potential failure is...
As you can see, energy consumption is monitored in real time.
The waste reduction numbers are quite impressive.
We explain logistics planning. Cold chain is validated. Containers temperature controlled. Documentation prepared automatically. Batch reports.
Scan for full transparency. See the farm origin, processing stages, and verified batch details. We summarize.
By integrating the R&D data here, we can optimize the cold press yield by 15% before the next simulation.
Real-time analytics displayed. Oil temperature tracked microsecond by microsecond. Flow rates measured per year. To prevent oxidation, our pipelines are completely sealed. We gently introduce inert gas. Control.
Intelligent engineering ensures total cold storage optimization. Our climate systems precisely regulate temperature and humidity.
Our automated system processes multiple batches simultaneously. Advanced segregation logic and isolated...
Temperature is maintained, humidity controlled, and light exposure minimized. We apply shock absorption and monitor.
Through advanced market testing simulations, we analyze lighting variations.
A sensory evaluation assesses aroma, flavor, and texture to correlate the nutrient profile.
End-to-end process visualized. Digital monitoring explained. Farm-to-factory traceability confirmed. Batch ID tracked continuously.
Welcome to the process simulation. We emphasize safety protocols and efficiency as you practice real-world application scenarios.
Historical batch comparison allows us to assess nutrient retention and flavor profile. When a deviation is detected Historical batch comparison allows us to assess nutrient retention and flavor profile. When a deviation is detected,
our life cycle analysis shows the glass thickness is optimized for sustainability, minimizing breakage risk while ensuring recyclability.
The nightly system audit shows performance metrics logged and inventory reconciled. All maintenance tasks queued and alerts resolved.
All sensors verified. Pumps monitored vibration. Conveyors checked for alignment. Temperature sensor.
Nutrient levels verified. Fatty acid composition confirmed. Batch IDs cross-checked. Results logged digitally. Human oversight approves final batches. Nutrient levels verified. Fatty acid composition confirmed. Batch IDs cross-checked. Results logged digitally. Human oversight approves final batches.
Finished bottles undergo visual inspection. We verify label alignment, batch codes, and cap seals.
Robots scan stacked pallets. Weight distribution measured. Height confirmed digitally. Stretch wrap tension checked. Batch ID temperature regulated precisely. Humidity continuously tracked. Air circulation optimized. Sensors alert for deviations. Energy consumption monitored.
Orders queued for delivery, intelligent scheduling, cold chain integrity ensured, route optimization applied, shipment priority managed digitally, global orders coordinated.
Here. Shipping documentation prepared automatically. Batch codes cross-checked. Certificates verified digitally. Temperatures.
Our sustainability dashboard provides a transparent overview of our eco-performance. We track energy usage, water consumption.
Daily feedback analyzed. Data combined from production, quality, and logistics. Trends identified automatically. Staff performance is tracked digitally, evaluating skills on automation interaction. Safety compliance is verified. As the simulation begins, our systems trigger an automated response, closing valves and initiating a safe shut.
The digital twin simulation replicates production, visualizing the batch flow and mapping parameters like temperature and pressure.
We digitally analyze the samples, measuring fatty acid composition, verifying vitamin content, and
materials reviewed digitally. Glass, labels, and caps assessed. Breakage and recyclability measured. The environmental footprint calculated and waste minimized systematically.
We review materials digitally to assess the sustainability impact. We measure recyclability and temperature variations modeled, packaging integrity validated, distribution scenarios assessed, cold chain stability. We analyze flavor, aroma, and texture to ensure batch consistency, nutrient retention.
What is the current consumer status?
Factory-wide metrics compiled. Batch yield and quality results aggregated successfully. Traceability validated,
The cleaning in place cycle is activated. Pipelines are flushed and sanitation is verified digitally. This summarizes our 200-step journey. Cold press extraction is highlighted, integrating automation. Sensors continuously monitor the screw's integrity. Torque and vibration are tracked in real time, and
the AI performs final quality inspection, verifying fill level and cap integrity. Defective units are automatically removed.
Sensors continuously monitor the screw's integrity. Torque and vibration are tracked in real time, and
as bottles pass the high-resolution cameras, the AI verifies the fill level, cap integrity, and label placement.
Alignment is checked digitally and barcode readability verified. No misprints are accepted. Automation ensures